Ever wonder why certain stocks fall even when the business seems solid? At Insightful Value, we keep an eye on overlooked names with strong fundamentals, and Scandinavian Tobacco Group just made our radar. This review is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Now, Scandinavian Tobacco Group, or STG, isn't a name you see trending on social media, but it's a major global player in premium cigars, pipe tobacco, and other tobacco-related products. Headquartered in Denmark, the company owns well-known brands like Café Crème, Macanudo, and Captain Black, and it operates in over 100 markets worldwide. Despite its strong position in a niche, cash-generating industry, the stock has been on a downward slope recently. But should long-term investors be paying closer attention here? From a value perspective, this could be an interesting case. STG generates consistent cash flow, has a relatively modest debt load, and pays a solid dividend. In fact, its dividend yield is currently looking attractive, especially in comparison to many high-growth, no-profit tech names that are dominating headlines. So what's the reason for the recent decline? Part of it is macro pressure. Slowing consumer demand in Europe, rising input costs, and foreign exchange fluctuations have weighed on margins. There are also regulatory concerns as governments continue to clamp down on tobacco products. But while those headwinds are real, they're not new. STG has navigated them before. Management recently announced restructuring efforts aimed at improving operational efficiency and enhancing profitability. They've also continued to invest in their premium cigar business, which remains strong in the US and emerging markets. Plus, they're focusing on acquisitions that fit their long-term strategy. Their recent earnings report showed a slight revenue dip, but EBITDA margins remain solid, and the company reiterated its full-year guidance. That kind of resilience often gets overlooked when the market is jittery. This stock may not have the flash of a tech unicorn, but it does have the hallmarks of a classic value play: consistent cash generation, shareholder returns, and a global footprint. At Insightful Value, we specialize in identifying exactly this kind of opportunity. We go deep on undervalued businesses, unpack the data, and present it without the complexity. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been investing for years, our goal is to help you spot companies that have real long-term potential. If you want to know more about STG and other companies flying under the radar, check out insightfulvalue.com. You'll find focused research, plain English analysis, and a steady stream of ideas you won't see in the mainstream. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos, and visit insightfulvalue.com to get the full picture.